Hey, you guys. So, I've gotten some revelation on that dream of a group of us people going to the White House to see the announcement of Kate and William's baby in 2 days. In the dream, it was 2 days, and in real life, it was 2 days. I just watching some stuff yesterday. I pieced together some information, found the connection. Initially, it had to do with France. France, not initially, but part of the dream had to do with the French president and our president and this and that. And I couldn't put the two pieces together, but now I have. I've written some stuff down. I really don't want to talk about it, but I guess I have to. The revelation I'm getting of this. I hate to talk about this subject of this Ceramus, Moon, Baal, Isis, Ishtar, Diana, what is it? Mother Goddess, female, quote, female Holy Spirit. I'm sick of it, but I have to, I guess. I have to write a whole bunch of stuff down, because if I go off on a tangent about this thing again, I feel like the Lord wants me to address it, so I guess I will. How sick these people are, these royals. It's the same thing over and over again. It hasn't changed. It's from the time of the gardens, and from the time of, it's just the same old thing over and over again. Just rituals and cultural beliefs that have been passed down from generation to generation. And it's paganism, it's Baal worship, it's Satanism, it's everything. I don't want to talk about it. I guess I have to, you guys, in the next video, okay? I'm like, man, we're going down this trail again. I guess it's still prevalent. People still doing it. The Lord wants it to be addressed. And the one thing that caught my attention in one of these videos that helped put the pieces together in this particular dream was the Statue of Liberty, Ishtar, Isis, whatever you want to call her. When I seen that, I was like, okay, Lord, okay, because we got it from France, okay? Boy, it's something I don't want to do. Okay, I had a vision. The reason for this particular video, I had a vision of a dark circle. It was a dark gray circle on top of, it was yesterday, I was doing a massage, but it was placed above the little thermostat adjuster thing that was in my room. And yesterday, two things caught my attention. The first thing was from RT News. I'll leave the video below. They're in the story, may have been the thumbnail, but they're in the story also. There was this round gray, and the vision wasn't a perfect circle. It had some ripply edges around it. But this first thing caught my attention. It was one of those little, I guess you call them flamethrowers or missile shooter things that you put up on your shoulder. And the story was that some anti-tank equipment had been found in Syria, and there's a group of people that were using them. I guess they're in Syria, but it was U.S. equipment. And there's a name of the group. You've probably heard, but I need to look them up. Okay, you guys? The second thing, which really caught my attention, Mr. MMBB333 put out a video about a 6,000 mile wide cyclonic wind on the southern hemisphere of the earth. He showed 2 different or 3 different graphics. One was gray, like the vision and the size of the vision, but then he actually put in like the wind model thing, and this thing covers like the whole southern bottom hemisphere of the earth. Is just one big cyclonic wind, you guys. 6,000 miles wide, I believe. And like I said, I seen one picture that was gray. It's a little lighter gray than the vision. And then the one where it shows the actual wind speeds, you guys, this thing is big. And the purple, I've learned over hurricane season, means indicates like the highest level of intensity, and it does show purple within the center mostly. I never seen nothing like this. I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is something that's like, they always have some type of one circular, one pattern at the southern hemisphere. Why it's there, I don't know, but I know hurricane season's coming up. So in a spiritual sense, I don't know what this thing as far as finding our equipment there in Syria will trigger. Russia's already threatened the heck out of us, and also in the spiritual sense, we know a big storm, spiritual storm, winds of war are in the air and are growing and ever increasing. I don't know if there's supposed to be a connection to those 2 particular things, but these are the things that I've seen. Okay, just wanted to put that out there. I'll leave RT News's video down. It's like a 2-minute video, and I'll leave Mr. MBBM3's video down below. Okay, you guys, and I guess I have to come back and talk about this royal reptilian lineage. Okay, talk with you later.